Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how you can change your car battery. It's super easy. Before you start, make sure uh, it's not hot. Make sure everything is fine. It's not that hot, so please make sure that. So this is the battery, and I'm gonna get it replace it and get one from the Costco. So I'm gonna show you how you can do it. If you go to any store or dealer, they'll charge you at least $100 for installation, and Costco, they don't do any installation or anything. So I'm gonna show you like how easily you can do it. But Costco battery is very good and they have very good deal. So let's show. So friends, first I'm going to unlock this one, the main positive one. So I'm just making this screw loose so that I can easily take this out. So it is loose now. It should come out easily, but since it's been a long time I didn't do anything. And make sure you don't touch the negative and positive together, so make sure you don't do that. So this is done. Super easy. If you can clean this up a little bit, that will be good. See, it is a little dirty. So positive part first I take out, now negative part. So friends, as I showed you, I just removed this positive one. Now I'm gonna do the negative one, and I'm using this range. That will be easier, otherwise it will be little difficult, like to actually open it. So I'm just using this range, then it will be easier for me. So I'm just opening this one. It should now open. So you can see this is done. So both are done, and now I have to remove this two, this one and this one. So same, I am using the range. Let me show you. This one is actually holding the battery, so I'm just now opening this one. Let's see. So as I like unscrew this one, you can see this lock. You can see the lock that need to be yes. So it is done actually. So I don't need to do anything else. And you can see it is unlocked from here as well. It is unlocked from here. It's tough to show you here actually. So it is done. That's it. Nothing. No rocket science. So it is no rocket science. just two things that gets connected. So I just removed it. Now I will take out the battery. Now I'm gonna take out the battery. The battery is little heavy, so that's the only tricky part, is pulling out the battery. This is the battery case. And make sure the positive part doesn't touch anything. So the battery is, so I just pull out the battery, and then let me show you. The battery sits here. Here is the two lock position. That's it, nothing else. It's super simple. Now I'm gonna get the battery from Costco. So that's, Costco has a good deal. Then it is fine. I'll put it. Let me get the battery and then I'll show you how I put it back. Thanks. So friends, I just got the new battery from Costco. Since my old battery was in warranty, like 4 months left, and it was disturbing, so I got, this is for 3 years warranty, Costco, and the current price is $129, but since I had old warranty, so they charged me total $31 after tax. So that's better. This is my third battery from Costco, so I like that. Previous one worked fine. Just before the warranty period ends, like I have 4 more months left, that's what they said. So it is still under warranty period, so that's it. And this is again 3 years warranty. So now I'm gonna put, and this is the positive, this is the negative. Let me show you how I'm gonna put it. So putting the battery is super easy. As you see, this is the place. So I'm gonna put the battery on top of this here. Just simply put it here. I will put that. Let me show you. Let me do that. So I am going to put it here. So I just put it, and now I'm gonna put the cover. This was the cover, the battery cover. It's just a plastic cover. That's it. Nothing special with this. Now I'm going to put this one, this lock. That's the battery lock. So let me show you how I'm going to do it. It's actually very tough to put the camera, then putting the battery. So let's see. So friends, to lock this, I first put this one here on this side. You can see it is like that. Now I'm gonna put this side. So I just put this one, you can see, like that. Now I have to tighten this one. Let me do that. So I'm going to tighten this one on both sides. So both of them are tight enough. Now before I put in, I just want to do a little cleanup. You can see, so you can do little cleanup here. if you can do that's better. You may see a lot of like yellow things, yellow dust here, so you can see now I'm just cleaning it off. So this is better. You can just do clean. There are a lot of cleaning stuff you can buy from Walmart or something, any other store, AutoZone or somewhere, but I'm not buying anything. It looks clean for me, so I'm fine with that. So now I'm gonna put the negative one first. I'm gonna put the negative one first, then I'll put the positive one. So let me put the negative one. I didn't take out the cap. Now looks like the cap, removing the cap is difficult. So I just cutted it using this one, and now let me do a little cleanup here. It's clean, it's fine. So I'm gonna just put it here. So this is fine. Let me tighten it up. Same way. And make sure when you are actually working, make sure you wear safety gloves and safety glasses. I didn't use it, but please wear that. Safety is high priority, and make sure you tighten it as much as possible. Yep, it's done. It's not that it's done actually. So it is tight enough. Now I'm gonna put the positive one. First remove the cap, and then I'm gonna put the positive one. Please make sure you wear the safety gloves. Don't touch it directly, or if you are getting contact with the ground, it may give you some shock, so be careful on that, and make sure you wear safety gloves. And be very careful when you are working. Don't connect positive and negative by any chance. Make sure it doesn't get contact. Be very careful on that. So with one wrench it's tight enough. Let me make it more tight. So it's tight enough. and I put the cover on. So now I am going to turn on the car and see if it works fine or not. So friends, looks like it is fine. The car started nicely and you can heard the sound. Here it is. That's how it connected. So I'm gonna keep the car running for at least 10 minutes because it's a brand new battery I just put, and so it will get little bit charged. It's not required, but I'm gonna do it. Keep the car running for at least 10 minutes, then I will turn it off. It's not recommended, and the main thing is when you are doing it, please make sure you wear the safety gloves and glasses. That's very important, and don't connect negative and positive. Be careful, but it is super easy. As I told you, it doesn't take too much time, only 30 minutes, and just one range I did it. So friends, that's all about this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box. Thank you. See you in next video.